Joe from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a Peugeot 208 here on a 2012 plate. Just doing a number plate light bulb. As you can see, both of them aren't working, even though the lights are on. So the number plate lights are not working. I'm just going to show you how to replace them. But before I do that, I'm going to switch the lights off. Right, now the lights are off now. So what I need to do is replace them. Now this is the bulb you need. It is a 501 bulb. You'll find that in the description. Right. Here we go. That's it. 501 bulb, which is a capless bulb. It's quite a common bulb on these. And the other thing you need is a flat screwdriver. It doesn't have to be a really big one. It could be a small one, just like this. All you then do is slot it through this little gap here. Make sure you don't drop this. Take this out. Then on the inside there, that's the bulb you need to replace. So what you got to do is, if you've got skinny fingers, slot your fingers in, one on the back, one on the front. Wiggle, wiggle, and at the same time pull it. There we go, that's out. Just gonna get a new one. That's the new one right here. So I'm gonna try to slot it in. It has to go through the gap right there on the inside. So if I slot it through the gap, here we go, and then push it in. That's it. I heard a click. I then put the cover back on. So there's only one way the cover could go, not one way but two way. The cover's back on. So I'm just going to switch the lights on, make sure they're working. Now as you can see, now that one's working, this one isn't. That one is, that one's working, that one's working as well. What I'm going to do the other side as well. Is exactly the same procedure. So you know, just switch the lights off, take the cover off, replace the bulb, and that's it. I think I just banged my head. Right, that's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, just drop us a comment below. We'll try to help you know as much as we can. And do check out the playlist for Peugeot. We've got playlists for Peugeot and the bulbs alone separately. So do check it out. It might be something else you need. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.